Hey guys, it's Kimberly and I'm here with Camille and she's going to tell us about her brand new lawn fabrics with Moda Fabrics. So what exactly is a lawn fabric?
So a lawn is a high quality quilting cotton, and they're a little bit different than your regular quilting cottons. They're a little bit lighter and silkier and more sheer also. So when you get these for the first time, you're going to be a little bit nervous because you can see through them a little bit, but that is part of what makes them so great. They're really lightweight and smooth. You can feel that when you touch the quilts. So I've used mine in a few different ways. I use them as backings for my Smitten quilts. They're 54 inches wide, and you just want to pet them when you feel them.
Yeah, they're so soft.
And so I've used them for the backings, but I've also made a few other quilts with them. This is just a really simple whole cloth quilt, and I put the dark navy on the front and the navy on white on the back. And all you have to do is put some batting in between them, and this will become your new favorite thing to snuggle up in.
And you put a really thin batting.
I do. I use warm and white with them because you can see through it just a little bit. So a nice white batting gives it a great feel to it and makes it so that you can't see through it.
And it makes it like still really soft.
Really soft. Yep. And then I have this one too that I put Moda Snuggles on the back. This is the most fought over quilt in my house. Even with my 3 boys, they all want this one because it is so soft.
Yeah, so it's brand new. It is going to be available with her Smitten collection that is coming out in August of 2018, and she will have more in the future. So make sure to check out all of her other videos on the Fat Quarter Shop YouTube channel. See you next time.